Okay, so here is the best way on how to delete or clear screen time on iPhone 17 Pro/Max. It's very simple. You just need to open up your settings and then you just gotta scroll down until you find screen time. Just simply press on that, and right over here is showing my screen time activity right over here, but you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of turn off app and website activity. So just simply press on that, and you can just simply confirm it. I don't want to turn this off. If you want to, just simply press on that and it will ask for your password. So if you do that and it's still showing your screen time, what you can do is just first up reset all of your settings. Which how you can do is just go to general, scroll down, and you'll see the option of transfer reset to iPhone. Press on that and then press on reset, and in reset option you'll see reset all settings option. Just simply reset it. After that, check it again. If it's not working, just simply go back and restart your device. Once you restart your phone, it will be good. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually